Hello my beauty buddies, I want to start sharing with you some products that I think are really underrated. A lot of them are tried and true, have been around forever, and I use them all the time. Some of them are newer. So I want to start with really probably one of my oldest favorites, and it's by Laura Mercier, and it is the Tightline. I started using Laura Mercier before my son was born. He just turned 22. I was pregnant with him, my skin was changing, I was feeling kind of blah, and I was at Macy's at Valley Fair, and Laura Mercier was pretty darn new at that point. And I went in there, and honestly, this was one of the first things that just sold me. It's foundation, and then this puppy. And of course, the translucent powder. But anyhow, not to get into all the other stuff. This stuff is amazing. It is a little cake like this. It is $25. I stock up during the Sephora sale, although one of these will pretty much last me an entire year. And then when they get used up, just so you can see kind of how they wear, you kind of hit pan like you would in an eyeshadow, but they last forever. I had this for a year. And all you do is you dip a brush, and I brought a few different brushes to show you, into water, and then you make a little paste, and then you just go ahead and apply it right under your eye. Now, the brushes that I use are this Esom brush, another underrated product. This is by Muse Beauty. This is their brush line, and really, they're really good. I received a few of them when I ordered Viseart palettes through Muse, and sometimes they have a special deal like once or twice a year where if you order a couple Viseart palettes, they're kind of discounted, and then you get a couple brushes thrown in or something. And the brushes have all been really good. And then I took a editorial exploration makeup class with them not too long, in 2017. And they had the whole array of brushes there, and they were excellent. So another underrated product, but anyway, I digress. Oh, and if you've been enjoying my content, hit that subscribe button now while you're thinking of it. This Goss brush, this little one, and then he also has another one like this little thicker version. If I want to be really precise, like I don't want to look like I really have eyeliner on, I just want to darken up my under lash line, this is great. Or you could kind of work more product in and make a thicker line, and then use it on top also. Or honestly, this $3 little e.l.f. brush is fabulous. This is just the e.l.f. small smudge brush. This is fantastic too. Now, Laura Mercier sells a brush also, and it has a great design to it. I can't find my actual one, so I'm using the one out of this kit. Oh, sometimes these kits, you guys, come with the Tightliner in it. So this one here came with mahogany and black ebony. Sorry, this is a little bit trashed. I've had this for quite a while. But let me show you what their Tightliner brush looks like. It is a very flat top like this. And this works really well too. The only thing is that over time, when you've had it for a while, they have a little thicker, not as tightly bound, I guess is, because look, these are a lot shorter. This has a lot longer hair on it, the Laura Mercier one. Let me line these puppies up. So what happens to me is it kind of starts to get too thick on the top, and then I might be getting more product in there. Whoops. Hair. I might be getting more product in there than I want because it's thicker, you know what I mean? But when these start out, these are excellent too. So just an idea. And this is a little double-ended one that came in the kit. You can buy this as an individual brush too. And I've had these for years also. Now let me show you how easy it is to apply this to your eyes and what a difference it really makes. So I'm obviously a huge fan of this product. I've been using it forever. If I were put on a desert island and was able to have 5 makeup products, this would be in there. Probably if I had 3, or maybe even 2, this would be in there. So I just cannot speak highly enough of this. I would love to know if you have used it, or if you use something like this, if there's something else out there like it that I just don't know about it. And again, don't forget, use those 20% off times of the year if you need to stock up and like to have one in reserve like I do. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe if you've been liking my videos. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.